what are you doing today?
I'm gonna do a sink of yolk video today.
Okay. And what is this on the paper?
I realized that
This is your prediction paper?
I
Okay.
predict
All right.
my sink of yolk.
Okay. So Mama, is gonna give him the name of the item, and he's gonna choose from this pile.
Yes, it's
And
big.
then, okay, should we start now?
Yes.
All right. So now, the first thing to find is a pencil.
I found it really easily.
Okay. What do you think? Is it gonna sink or float?
Sink.
Okay, let's find out. Oh, all right. It's floating. Pen.
It's gonna float.
Okay. Cool. Spoon.
It's gonna float. I mean sink.
Okay.
Now,
Dice.
it's gonna sink. It's gonna sink.
Okay.
And
Wood blocks.
we have blocks. Yeah, that's
Wow, it's floating. Sponge.
It's going to float. You were wrong. That's wrong.
All right. Battery.
Look, it's gonna
Where's the battery?
No, I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Let's do the coin.
Yep. The coin.
And this one can sink and float. The coin sinks. This one.
Good.
To get out.
The foam puzzle pieces.
I can sink. Yeah, we can sink. Floats.
Cool. Q-tip.
She got down into the water. It floats.
Awesome. Chase and Zuma.
I need this one. I need this thing. I need
Okay.
that.
The Sea Patroller boat.
Float.
Awesome. The dinosaur.
Whoa. It floats.
It floats. All right. The minion.
It floats again. Wow.
All right. So we got only like 3 predictions wrong.
Nice.
Awesome.
Have to play with the water. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you on the next time.
Bye. Bye, Elijah. Goodbye.
Bye.